inspector. So if we go back into Polyworks, jump back into trial piece number 6, and then let's zoom into countersink hole 1, and you can see here we have a problem with the hole. I know that this hole is extracted using boundary scan points, and it seems that the cause for this issue is false boundary points around the scan area due to these holes. I can verify this by showing you the points it's used to measure with. So review, deviations, restore, and you can see there it's using all these points away from the actual hole itself. So what we'll have to do is modify the extraction parameters. So if I right click at the properties, jump into your measurement tab, and let's reduce the max distance down to 1 mil so it's not searching as far from the hole. And as you can see there, that has fixed the issue there. Okay, now I need to make all these same changes to all the other pieces within Polyworks. Again, in Polyworks 2020, Inimetric introduced a new tool which allows us to propagate piece changes across all pieces. So I can enter that through the bottom right hand corner. I have quick access to the configure the propagation, and I'm going to create a new template. I can name it whatever I like, make sure I've got all my pieces selected, and just OK. This new tool in Polyworks 2020 is a powerful and welcome addition. It makes all the changes for me automatically, eliminating the need to make the same changes manually across multiple pieces. And now the propagation is configured, it can perform it. This was the #1 request from existing customers, from you. It was a great deal of work to make it easy to use and well integrated with both small and large projects in mind. You just saw how easy it was for me to set up, right? What makes this new tool so powerful, not only are new objects propagated, but also parameter changes to existing objects, new control views, and, you'll love this, report modifications. Polyworks documentation lists all the changes that can be propagated. Polyworks certainly goes a lot faster than I could manually and makes no errors. This is the first release of their new Propagate tool, and their software architects have already started to work on improving the performance of this. So stay tuned to the intimate releases. When the propagation completes, the modification to all pieces completes the modifications to all pieces because of the link between the control in inspector and the spreadsheet cell was established when the template was first filled in. The cells can be updated with one click. So if I go back into Polyworks, so let's go ahead and update the worksheet. So let's see how this affects the result of my repeatability study for that particular control. Again, report loop updates the values for me. Once again, this is no longer manual and error prone. The process is automated and no more exporting and results and copy and pasting values into the cells manually. Human error is removed from this update of all values for all pieces, and much faster than can be done manually. Okay, and that's about done. I can see that my range value is much better using the proper extraction parameters. And reviewing the other results, I am very pleased with the outcome of the repeatability study. We have now less than 30% of the tolerance used up by the equipment variance. The repeatability spreadsheet and the trend charts provide discrete information about part variations on feature locations like features and comparison points.